everyone, I have an unboxing here. This is Prima Dolly Heather Skye. She is a 2009 release from Takara. She is a stock Takara Neo size doll. I'll put a link down below for the video I did not too long ago where I showed all of my tan stock dolls. They're sort of a subcategory of all the Neo size stock Takara dolls that I have. So I'll put that down below. But yeah, so just some other stats on her. Her face mold is considered RBL. Her hair color they're calling is dark chestnut. Her skin tone is just dark, it says. Her lips and her eyeshadow are brown. And she has blue, orange, green, and pink chips. So nothing special. Usually the Prima Dolly dolls were a little bit less fancy than some of the other dolls. So let me get her out of here. Here's her box too, by the way. Some people are really into the box. I don't keep these because it's all I have to squeeze in all the dolls, let alone their boxes. But this is a cool looking box. It has a really cool retro 70s vibe to it, and I like it. So here she is inside the box. I'm not going to show you me taking her out of the box because I think that's kind of boring, but I think it is interesting to see just how they have everything packed in here. She's got her stand, which looks like it's just white. There's some green ribbon here. Not sure where that's supposed to go. Maybe that's supposed to go in her hair. Those shoes look different. They look like kind of gladiator sandals. All right, she's got no shoes on, and yeah, so she's tied in there. I will be back with her out of the box here momentarily. All right, I'm back. I have her out of the box. So I purchased this from Mandrake, which is a Blythe doll vendor and toy vendor in Asia. And it looked like that somebody had taken her out of the box and then put her back in and taped her back in. They did a good job, though, and that's something that if you ever do buy anything from Mandrake, sometimes some of the dolls were display dolls, and they tell you that in the description. So just, you know, be aware of that. But let's see. Do I have to take her dress off here to get her? Oh, she's stiff. Oh, whoa. You're okay there, Missy. Wow. Yes, I know. She's been in that box since, well, maybe not in that box since 2009. I don't know. All right, she has regular, just plain panties. Though these are actually nicer than some of the newer dolls. Some of the newer ones are just these like unfinished ones made from a very basic nylon fabric. Let me get this off of her. She looks to be in really good shape. Oh, and this ribbon is supposed to be a belt. So I guess you can put a belt around this little sundress if you want. But I think you could also use it for her hair. Let's see. She doesn't have any earrings, no manicure. You know, the Prima Dollies tend, like I said, tend to be a little bit more on the basic side. A lot of people used to use them, and still do, honestly, for customizing, which is one, you know, reason some of them are hard to find after a while. So, yeah, so I was lucky to find her. She's not a crazy difficult doll to find, but she's not necessarily easy to find either. So let's look at our other stock before I start taking a look at the doll. We've got, you know, basically it's a ribbon, whoop-de-doo. Not very impressed with that. These shoes are pretty cool. Holy cow. Look at those. Those, yes. Those are super, super cute. Yeah, again, it's got kind of a little bit of a 70s vibe, flower girl vibe. Heather Skye, I guess, does have that. And we got just a white stand. So, again, nothing super fancy. So, obviously, she's got her green side-facing chips here. They're going to the left. Let's see, let me get her hair out of the way. Front-facing pink. Side-facing blue. Ooh, orange. Holy cow. The orange actually doesn't look too bad in here with her skin tone. But I like the blue best, gotta say. The green's actually nice too with her dress. This is a really cute dress. It looks very well made. A nice retro pattern on it. I'd like to make something like this. I wonder if I could find a really simple pattern. If any of you all out there know of a pattern similar to this for Blythe dolls, please comment down below and give me the link if you have it. This is cute. I'd love to have some other dresses like this for my tan dolls. This is very, very bohemian looking. So, okay, so the only thing, a negative thing, her hair, I gotta say, is a little bit greasy. Nothing major though, honestly. You know what? In fact, I'm going to comb it and come right back and give you a report on it. Okay? Let me do that. Okay, so here's my assessment of her hair. It felt a little bit greasy, and, you know, but once I combed it out, it's not nearly as bad. I still might do a spa on it. It still feels a little bit on the greasy side. The ends are dry and crunchy. It's not horrible hair, though. I've definitely seen worse, trust me. If you saw my Pineapple Princess unboxing, you know what I'm talking about. So, but again, as some of these older dolls, they have, you know, much better hair than some of the newer ones. It's thick enough. It's not crazy thick, but you know, you don't see the scalp or anything like that. So that's really good. It's actually pretty decent hair. I mean, doing a spa would just be kind of picky, I think. But it would improve it, but she's really fine like she is too, considering how long she's been around. She's actually in really good shape. I'm very happy with her. And I like that she's got a really natural look to her. That tends to be my preference with dolls, especially, you know, my tan dolls. To me, they're kind of they're these bohemian beachy girls, you know, that hang out at the beach, and they're, you know, in their teens, if not a little bit older. So yeah, so they definitely, she fits into that aesthetic that I like. And yeah, she's really cute. Oh, I guess, you know what? I should check her legs. Hold on, girl. Let me check out your legs. They look good. Come on, bend. Feel a little tacky to the touch, more than I remember. I only do 2 clicks. I know some people do 3, but I'm not into that. I gotta be careful, as I practically break her leg. Okay, no, she's good. She's a little stiff overall. I will say does feel like her arms were stiff and everything, and her legs are a little stiff, but no, she's an old gal. She's been around since 2009. Cut her some slack, man. All right, so here she is in her stock. Very cute. Love the shoes. I put the ribbon in her hair instead of making it a belt. All right, well, thank you guys for stopping by, and I will probably have an update on her. I usually do updates on dolls after I get them for a while, and I always appreciate a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Heather says bye.